Hey kids, let's play the ABC guess game. Are you ready? Let's start. It's funny, jumps from tree to tree, and loves bananas. Can you guess this animal? It's M for monkey. It swings and chatters. Woo woo, ah! M for monkey. It sings so sweetly in the trees at night. Can you guess this beautiful bird? It's N for Nightingale. It sings lovely songs. Tweet, tweet. It's awake at night and says, hoo, hoo. Can you guess? It's O for Owl. It sees in the dark with big round eyes. O for Owl. It wears a black and white coat and loves the cold. Guess who it is? It's P for Penguin. It waddles on ice. Flap, flap. P for Penguin. It's tiny, busy, and buzzes around flowers. Can you guess this buzzing insect? It's Q for Queen Bee. She's the boss of the beehive. Buzz, buzz. Q for Queen Bee. It hops and eats carrots all day long. Who could it be? It's R for Rabbit. It wiggles its nose. Hop, hop, hop. R for Rabbit. It claps its flippers and loves to play in water. Guess this funny sea animal. It's S for Seal. It barks and splashes. Arf, arf. S for Seal. It moves slowly and carries a shell on its back. Who is this calm animal? It's T for Turtle. It hides inside its shell. Peekaboo. T for Turtle. It lives deep in the sea and looks like a tiny ball with spikes. Can you guess this sea creature? It's U for Urchin. It's round, colorful, and hides between rocks under the water. U for Urchin. It flies high and spots food from the sky. Who could it be? It's V for Vulture. It soars and circles. Whoosh, whoosh. V for Vulture. It's the biggest animal in the ocean. Can you guess this gentle giant? It's W for Whale. It sprays water high. Psh! It's a see-through fish that glows underwater. What could it be? It's X for Xray fish. You can see its bones. Wow! X for Xray fish. It's furry and strong, lives in snowy mountains. Can you guess this animal? It's Y for Yak. It has big horns and thick hair. It's Y for Yak. It's black and white with stripes all over. Who is this fast runner? It's Z for Zebra. It gallops and neighs. Clip-clop. It's Z for Zebra. Wow, kids, you did it again. You guessed all the animals from M to Z.